A chain stitch is used to begin any project that is worked in rows, not rounds. Watch my hands first through this process, and then we'll slow it down and work a chain up together step by step. Begin with a slip knot on your hook and your hook in your right hand. Use the pointer finger of your left hand to guide the working end of your yarn. Use the pinky and ring finger of your right hand to grip the tail to stabilize your yarn to begin. Bring your yarn over your hook from back to front and grab it with your hook. Pull the hooked yarn back through the slip knot, and you have just created your first chain stitch. Now repeat this step until you have the desired number of stitches to create your base chain that you will use to begin your project. And as you're working on this chain, be conscious of your tension because that will alter the size of your design. By keeping your tension even throughout the project, you can ensure a clean, even stitch throughout your working product. Also keep in mind that if your beginning chain is too tight, it will be difficult to work the next row of stitches into.